Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect to the internet for the iPhone 13 series. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways how you can do this. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings screen, go down and tap on Wi-Fi. At the top here, make sure you tap on Wi-Fi to switch it on. And in the networks section, it will show you all the available Wi-Fi network that you could connect to. In here, tap on the Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you already have the Wi-Fi password. And now we will proceed to put in the Wi-Fi password. So I'll put in the Wi-Fi password and tap on the join button. Okay, so that is the first way how you can connect to the internet. And it is preferable that you use Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. However, if you do not have Wi-Fi, then you can connect to a personal hotspot. So here on my other device, I have turned on personal hotspot, and I can tap on my personal hotspot. And next, to connect to your personal hotspot, you also need to know the password of the hotspot in order for you to join. Once you have joined the personal hotspot, you can then browse the internet. Okay, so that is the second method. And the last method is to use your mobile data. So I'm going to tap on forget for now. So the last method is to use your mobile data or your cellular data. So to do that, make sure that you are back at settings. In settings, go down and tap on cellular, and then make sure cellular data switch is turned on. Once it is turned on, you should see it say 4G or 5G depending on your location. Now you will also need to have a data plan. A data plan is basically is a quota that allow you to download stuff from the internet. And there is a limit depending on what is your plan. Sometimes there is a limit on how much or how many megabytes or gigabytes that you can download. Now, if you go over the threshold, then there may be some additional fees that you have to pay at the end of the month. So make sure that you check with your data provider or your network provider, see how much data you can use each month, and make sure that you don't go over the limit. And that's it. And so if you have Wi-Fi, then it is recommended that you turn off cellular data so that you don't accidentally use it, and might cause you to pay extra money at the end of the month. And that's it. Those are the 3 different ways how you can connect to the internet on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.